Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both nutritious and delicious: hard-boiled eggs. We'll be exploring the incredible health benefits of incorporating these nutrient-packed wonders into your daily diet. And we'll also discuss how many eggs you can safely consume each day. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and nutrition videos. The health benefits of daily hard-boiled eggs and daily consumption limit. Let's kick things off by talking about the numerous health benefits that hard-boiled eggs bring to the table. Rich source of protein. First and foremost, hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for optimal bodily function. Protein is crucial for muscle growth, repair, and overall cellular health. Loaded with essential nutrients. Hard-boiled eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamins A, D, E, and B complex vitamins. They also provide essential minerals like iron, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, which are vital for various bodily functions. Heart health. Contrary to popular belief, eggs can be a part of a heart-healthy diet. Consuming hard-boiled eggs may help in improving cholesterol profiles, reducing the risk of heart disease, and supporting overall cardiovascular health. Brain function and eye health. Hard-boiled eggs contain choline, a nutrient important for brain function and memory. Additionally, eggs provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Satiety and weight management. The protein and healthy fats in hard-boiled eggs can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in appetite control and weight management. They make a great addition to a balanced diet when you're looking to maintain a healthy weight. How many eggs are allowed daily? Now, let's address the common question: how many hard-boiled eggs can you eat in a day? The answer is based on various factors including your overall diet, health status, and individual nutritional needs. For most healthy individuals, consuming 1 to 3 eggs per day is considered safe and can be part of a well-balanced diet. However, it's essential to consider your overall dietary cholesterol intake from all sources. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have specific health conditions or concerns, such as high cholesterol or heart disease, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on egg consumption. Balanced diet matters. Remember, a healthy diet is diverse and balanced. Incorporate a variety of foods alongside your eggs to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. There you have it, folks. Hard-boiled eggs are indeed a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits when consumed in moderation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more informative content on health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.